Alright everybody, so in today's video I will be making these cute little teapot bracelets. Let me show you. I have different colors, different combinations. I do have like two purples there, but they're different style. And these are these small little teapots I've been using for this collection. This is a custom order that a customer has requested, and I'm going to show you how to make one of these cute stretchy type bracelets today. So let's get started. So what you're going to need is the stretchy string, which this is what I use to make my jewelry. You're going to need obviously some scissors, and for my bracelet will be using these cute little beads. You can use gold, rose gold, silver, anything will look good on it. You will also obviously need pearls, so I'm going to be using purple pearls with these white pearls I have here. So that's all you really need, and of course you're going to need the charms. So to begin with, I have my stretchy string. I use 2 pieces because I want my bracelet to last twice as long as a regular bracelet. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick up one of the charms and put it through my 2 string. And there we go. I am going to warn you in advance, if you're going to do double string with pearls, I wish you so much luck with that, because the pearls sometimes have a really small hole and it can be quite annoying. So I'm going to get this pearl and try to put it through, which worked. And the reason why I'm putting it in between is obviously the space. As you can see in my other bracelets, I made a space in between the cup and the plate so that you'll be able to see the charm when you wear it. So. And then we're going to continue by adding another one. Let's see. So far so good. I like to put 2. Let's put 2 on this one today. See, that way they can be separate and you can see the charm a little better. Okay. And then I got both of my strings. I get 2 more. So I'm going to put one here and the other one on the side. There you go. And now I'm going to grab one of these little silver ones. I'm gonna get these 2. So put that to the side, put one of them on here, and we're gonna put one on each side. There you go. So then you get some of your white ones and you start adding it on there. Feel free to do any pattern you'd like. This is, like I said, a custom order for a customer, so I have to do what they say of like how they want their bracelet. So this is pretty nice. It's pretty nice. All right. So I'm gonna add another one. So far so good on these pearls. I'm able to put the string through. Well, both of the strings through. Let's add more of these. And then let's add a purple. Another purple. Alright. And for those of you who are new to my channel, welcome. And I do have a lot of collections available if you want to get some ideas for your jewelry. I tried my best to post videos like these, that way you guys can learn how to make your bracelets or get ideas or anything. I do talk about other things besides jewelry. I do artwork, so if you'd like to see more of these awesome videos, please make sure to hit the subscribe button below, and you will keep yourself updated with all these amazing creations that I have. I also have another business called Gastel's Fashion. I will be displaying a new video soon about that. I'm going to be talking about the products I will be selling on there. That is a business that is not close to GB Creations, because GB Creations has more of the handmade items than Gastel's Fashion, which is like an additional accessories to add to the handmade products you guys buy at GB Creations. It's just to finish the look and just make it look nice. So I'm working on my bracelet, halfway there. However, I don't know if you can see that I have little lines, little stars, or this right here. So these are the different sizes of bracelets I use. If it's an N, it's for necklace, and it's probably a wider choice. But for bracelets, and I think you can only see half of it, but it starts, this is the center of it, and this is the end of it. For a male bracelet, it's an extra, I want to say an extra like 2 inches for both sides. And the little star, I think it says for a 4-year-old. No, 4-year-old is over here. This is for like a younger age. I have it organized, you guys. So this comes out in handy. You can get this at Michael's, Joann's, any craft store basically. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to measure my bracelet and see if it's the size they're asking for, which I'm almost there. If I lay it down, you can see I'm very close to the end of the size. So this is small. If you go 1 bead over this, it's medium, and if you go to this point right here, for me it's a large. So I'm trying to do a small. Okay, so I'm going to get one of these here. Okay. Come on. This is me all the time struggling with this 2-string thing, but it's worth it. It lasts longer. It's better. Almost there. I'm gonna continue adding purple to this. If you guys have any ideas, any certain collections you'd like me to work on, like I said, like the video and comment below, and I definitely do read the comments, so feel free to leave a comment on there. So I'm measuring it. I am almost done. I need 1 more bead, and for this part you can add it on either side, because if you add a bead on both sides when it's close to this, it's going to become a large. So I only add it on one side. So I'm going to go ahead and add a white bead to it just to complete the look. I'm going to go ahead and put it. And as most of you know, my bracelets do come with made with love charms, so I just add it on there to the back. And now I'm going to tie it. A lot of people ask, how do you tie it? It's just like a regular tie, I guess. I just tie it 2 or 3 times to secure it. That way the bracelet won't fall apart. What I also do is that when I'm done, I mess up here. I hate this double string thing, like I said, but it's worth it at the end. Oh, like I was saying, so when I'm done tying it, I cut the excess off. For it to not go loose, like I said, tie it 2 to 3 times, and then I go ahead and hide it in one of the beads. That way you can't see that ugliness right there. Let me go this way. So let me see if I can fit this little knot in between one of the beads. Should I be able to? I just try not to stretch it a lot because I don't want the bracelet to be too stretched. Let's see. Hold on, you guys. It could be a little pain, but like I said, you're able to hide it under that. So, oh, I went through the bead. Okay, so here we go. You see how it's like going through the bead? There you go. So now you can't see it. And there's your bracelet. It's cute. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you'd like to see more, just like I said, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And please go and check out my Instagram, Facebook, and Snapchat. I will try to do my best to post videos every Tuesday and Thursday. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And I hope you guys have a good day. And I'll see you till next time.